Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today is the next day in the next installment in my craft room reorganization. And today we're going to tackle the desk. So I'm going to try and move as much of this stuff over into this empty shelf, as well as this one here. Basically, wherever I can find room, I am going to place stuff there. I'm not going to overthink it too much. Because once I get this all set up, I will actually go through and organize this properly. So that is the goal for tonight. I don't know if I'll get done, but we're going to give it a good try, and I'll touch base with you a little later and show you what progress I've made. Okay, so here's where I'm at. Again, still disorganized for sure, but at least the desk is clean, and I can work on that tomorrow. Obviously, there's piles everywhere, but it's starting to feel a little more organized, and I'm really pleased with how much space I'm going to have around the desk. It's amazing how just oriented it this way and adding this shelf here, which is about half the depth of these shelves, and removing this one, or moving this one here from the wardrobe, how much extra space I feel like I have. Yeah, I'm really pleased so far. So I need to work on a couple projects. One's the desk, and the other is the additional shelf that I'm going to add on that bookshelf there. And once I have those ready to go, I will post a video on those, and then we'll start putting things back to where it should be. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you are inspired to maybe tackle something in your room, even if it's not on the same scale as what this is. Just a little bit at a time makes a difference. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys. And until next time, happy crafting.